Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of Chow with Lau. Today I'm going to do a really quick video to show you how to make salt and chili king prawns the way that the Chinese make it. It's amazing. Let's do this. Right guys, first of all get your wok hot, then you can add your oil. Quite a generous amount this time. I'd say it's 2 or 3 tablespoons. Get that nice and covering your wok or pan, whatever you're using. So I've got my finely chopped chili here, as hot as you like. Get that in. Going to release its aromatics and its heat into the oil. Try not to let it burn though. Okay, next I'm going to add the ginger, so about a small thumb-sized piece of ginger, finely chopped. Get that in. Get that going. Split up this bit of chili here. And then I've got 5 cloves of garlic finely chopped here. Lots of garlic. Overdo the garlic. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yep. If you don't like garlic, well, I can't help you. Right, get that all going in there. And then these bad boys, these big king prawns, you can find them in Asian supermarkets or your fishmongers. If you notice, they've still got full shell, even the heads are on. Let's do it. Oh yeah. This is how we do it back in the Far East. Okay. You peel them as you eat them. That's half the fun. Keep that wok hot. Now we can add salt and pepper. It's a very generous amount of salt and a good squirt of pepper as well. Pop that on. And the oil's going to take it into the flesh, so you'll get the flavour through the shell because the oil will permeate through the shell. Give it a good toss. This is not going to take very long at all. Okay, because prawns do not take long to cook. Oh yeah. This takes me back to my childhood when as a family we used to go back to Hong Kong and you go into certain restaurants and this is how they do it. You can find this kind of restaurant in the UK if you look hard enough. Do you know what? I'm going to add another squirt of salt. And as the shells start to char a little bit, we're pretty much there, guys. The smell is amazing. Look at that. There you go, guys. Literally minutes. Salt and chili king prawns, Chinese style, proper. Right guys, moment of truth. This one's got my name on it. Okay, right. That's how you eat it, guys. Tear the head off. Take the shell off. Yeah. I don't want to freak you out, but a lot of people suck out the head bit. I can take it or leave it, but I guess it doesn't gross me out that much. Used to it, you see. Oh wow. That's amazing. The garlic and the chili, wow. So good. And there is something really, really fun, I think, about taking shell off and having it. You can get all greasy and literally finger licking good. This is not for civilized eating. This is for the pure joy of eating. You've got to try this, guys. It's so easy. Just get the right prawns with the shell on. Fresh ones, well, frozen ones, but good frozen ones are brilliant. And you can, like I said, you can get them from the Chinese supermarket and your fishmongers. The bigger the better, the sweeter. They are lovely, juicy, fantastic. Hope you've enjoyed this little video, guys. It's one of my shorter ones. If you liked what you see, please consider subscribing if you already haven't, liking, hitting the notification button, and also underneath my video there is the super thanks button, which is a little heart, and if you hit that you can donate a little bit of money that will help support my channel and help it grow. If you want to, there is no obligation, of course, but if you do feel compelled, who am I to stop you? Thank you so much for watching. Watching is the most important thing. I couldn't be more grateful for people who watch, especially to the end here. You are my guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.